in the previous videos, show you how to measure the centerpiece, and we selected the F size and connected to the provisional holder. In order to attach and to connect the centerpiece to the end caps, first of all, what you will take is this centering guide, which will facilitate the holding, in fact, of your centerpiece. Then you take your centerpiece, you slide it onto the centering guide, making sure that the bottom of the end cap is above this semi-spherical part of your end cap. Then you take the top assembly frames, press on the levers, sit it onto the post, push it down smoothly, make connections of both of them, and check that you can see through the top of your centerpiece. There, everything is connected toward each other. You can release it. At this stage, by rotating, in fact, these provisional holders, you can set the insertion directions of your device. Meaning, for example, that if you take a cervical pure anterior approaches, you will set your insertions toward 0 degrees. If it's a fully lateral approaches, perpendicular, in fact, to the spine, you will set it at 90 degrees angles. In all cases, what we will do is that we will set our device for a 60 anterolateral approach, a 60 degrees angulations. Now, we're going to be connecting the hand cap to the centerpiece using the set screws. So first of all, you take the 4-hex driver, which is the set screwdriver. You take it from the tray or from the modules, slide it through the hole, and start turning clockwise until you get a tightening. It's important during this stage to hold your provisional driver. Otherwise, as you could see, it moved and you lost the directions of insertion that you wanted. Okay? You do exactly the same thing on the other side. You connect your set screw driver to your set screw, push down, and then start tightening, going through, turning clockwise. Tighten, and there it is. Now, we will be using the counter torque to break off the set screws. So you can see this hex hole here. You connect your counter torque onto it, like this. Hold your system in place, push it down, and then you break off. You can see that this little tip, break-off tip, is here. So you take a little thingy to remove it. You push it down. That's your break-off. You do exactly the same thing on the other side. Place your counter torque. Bring down your 4-hex driver. And again, break off the set screws. And there you have still, in fact, the little break-off set screw. You remove it. And there, your hand caps are fully connected to the centerpiece with 10 degrees kyphotic angles.